Welcome to Module 5. This module focuses on scheduling tutoring appointments in Salesforce. This is one of the most common front desk responsibilities, so it's important to follow each step carefully. The onboarding packet walks through the Salesforce scheduling process, beginning with logging into Salesforce, searching for the student by ID, opening the student's contact page, and selecting the Schedule Appointment button. Before clicking through Salesforce, make sure you understand what the student needs. Ask for the student's ID number, confirm their name, and ask which course or subject they need help with. You should also confirm whether the appointment should be in person or virtual, and whether the student needs tutoring center or writing center support. Getting this information first makes the scheduling process smoother and helps avoid booking the wrong service. The first step is to find the correct student record. The onboarding packet directs staff to use the Salesforce search bar and enter the student ID number to get the student's contact page. Once the correct student appears, select the student's name in blue text. Be careful here, you want the correct student before scheduling anything. After opening the student's contact page, find and select the Schedule Appointment button. Salesforce will ask whether the appointment is a walk-in appointment or not. Choose the correct option based on the situation. A regular scheduled appointment and a walk-in appointment follow slightly different steps, so it's important to answer this correctly. The next slides will show the steps to schedule a regular appointment, and then we will talk about the walk-in process. Next, choose the correct service area. The onboarding packet shows options for the tutoring center and the writing center. Make sure you choose the service that matches the student's need. For example, a student needing help with a paper may need writing center support, while a student needing help with course content may need tutoring center support. After selecting the service area, choose the subject or course from the drop-down menu. This step matters because Salesforce uses the selected subject to show tutor availability. If the wrong subject is selected, the student may be scheduled with someone who is not the right fit for the appointment. The onboarding packet shows this step as selecting the course or placement exam before moving forward. Next, choose whether the appointment will be in person or virtual. This is very important because virtual appointments require students and tutors to use virtual meeting software for the appointment. The department is now using Microsoft Teams for virtual appointments instead of Zoom. Choosing the correct appointment type helps make sure the appointment information is accurate. Salesforce will show tutor availability based on the information selected earlier. The onboarding packet explains that tutors' next availability will show under their names, and their total availability will show when their name is selected. Choose the time that works best for the student, then select Next. Always pay attention to the date and time before moving forward. Before finishing the appointment, review the appointment information carefully. Confirm the student, subject, appointment type, tutor, date, and time. The onboarding packet also says to put your initials in the description box so there is a record of who made the appointment. This is a small step, but it helps with follow-up if there are questions later. Once the appointment is scheduled, confirm the details with the student before they leave or before ending the phone call. This helps prevent confusion and missed appointments. Make sure the student knows when the appointment is, who they are meeting with, and whether the appointment is in person or virtual. Also make sure to tell the student that they will receive a confirmation email with the appointment details in their RVC student email. Walk-in appointments follow a slightly different process. The onboarding packet explains that for a walk-in appointment, you select the subject, enter a start and end time, and select the tutor. It also warns that this process does not take the calendar into consideration, so it's the user's responsibility to confirm that the selected staff member is available. This is a big one. Salesforce will give you a list of tutors who match the subject selected, but it does not filter for who is scheduled to work. Most scheduling mistakes are preventable if you slow down and review the details before finishing. Always confirm the subject, student, appointment type, tutor, date, and time. For walk-ins, remember that you must confirm tutor availability. When in doubt, pause and ask for help. This module covered the basic process for scheduling appointments in Salesforce. The most important habit is to confirm information before and after scheduling. Accurate scheduling helps students receive the right support, helps tutors stay organized, and helps the department maintain reliable records. Before continuing, complete a short knowledge check in Canvas. The knowledge check will review student lookup, service area selection, subject and appointment type, tutor and time selection, appointment review, and walk-in appointment reminders. The knowledge check will confirm that you understand the main steps for scheduling appointments in Salesforce before moving on to appointment changes and attendance updates.